her shame. She's sick of this game. Beaten. A word we take too easily. It wasn't his fault, he said, as if it was all in her head. Bang. Everything could be taken away, as fast as a gun unable to stop. The sun won't shine if she's hurt one more time, nearly dead. His hands around her throat, she said. Everything fading away in his hands. Nearly lost everything. Bruised. Blood in her eyes. Everything she did was despised. Where did the love go? We will never know. It was all lies. He insulted her. There was nothing I could do. Nobody knew what he was capable of. It was false. It wasn't love. She finally had enough. She grew tough. She left. Beaten. A word we take too easily. She'll be okay now, but will he?